friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to focus on doing laundry. First, I want to explain what I'm doing here. I'm changing my sheets and my pillowcases, and I'm putting fresh, clean sheets and pillowcases on my bed. Oftentimes, laundry can seem so monotonous, and cleaning can seem just so monotonous. It feels like we just finished doing laundry and we got laundry again, or we just finished cleaning our bedroom or kitchen or whatever. We're doing it again. And what I have found that works for me, that makes things not feel so monotonous, and even I would go as far as saying has brought me some joy, is I kind of set the mood. I know I'm doing laundry today and I'm changing sheets, and so I always make sure I have something to drink. Right here it looks like water. Usually I'll have water or I'll make some lemonade, and then in this case I also have I have like 4 little tiny Ghirardelli, do you say Ghirardelli or Ghirardelli? I don't know, chocolates. And then I also like to listen to something, whether it's the TV or a podcast or music, and it just seems to make the time go by really fast, and it keeps my mind busy on something that I'm enjoying. And in exchange, I've actually found to where I really enjoy doing laundry and cleaning. Sounds funny, I didn't think I would ever say that, but I really do. Our frame of mind is so important wherever that might be for you. We need to have a positive mindset. I hope I explained this well, but I've found that when I have a positive mindset and I'm able to relax and focus on whatever it is I'm doing, things go by quicker and more enjoyable. I actually really enjoy doing laundry. You see me, like I mentioned, I'm making my bed. Before I do laundry, I always make my bed. I have found that if I use my bed as a place to sort everything, it's a lot easier than sitting on the couch or the floor. For one, there's 6 of us. I have 4 kids and my husband and I. And so I need a big area to be able to sort and fold the clothes. And my bed just is like the most perfect area to do that. So yeah, I need a big area, and I also need something kind of taller, and my bed's the perfect height for that. Also, I choose specific days to do laundry. I used to do laundry every single day. You hear a lot of people say, and it works for them, it didn't work for me, but you hear a lot of people say, just put a load of laundry in first thing before you do anything in the morning. Put a load of laundry in. I did that for years, and it just never seemed to be good for me. And I finally realized why. If my kids needed something washed, they knew that I would always stop whatever I was doing and wash the things they needed to be washed. And then I started really realizing, okay, I do laundry every day. Why is there always stuff dirty? And we're not just talking like the outfit from the night before. We always had dirty clothes. And I realized that the kids realized I always did laundry. So when it was time to do laundry in the morning, they didn't always give me what was in their basket. And even, let's back up a little bit, they didn't always put their clothes in their laundry basket, because they realized, even though I would tell them, put your dirty clothes in your basket and bring me your clothes in the morning and I'll wash them, they sometimes would leave their clothes on their floor, their closet floor, their bedroom floor, sometimes my bathroom floor, if they happened to use my tub or shower that night or morning. And so I got thinking and realized I need to not do laundry every day. I need to tell them these are the 2 specific days every week that I'm going to do clothes. And that has worked so much better, because they know if they don't give me their laundry on this and this day, I've got 2 days out of the week that I wash clothes, and a 3rd day that I wash towels and sheets. But they know if they don't give me their clothes those 2 days out of the week, that they won't get washed. And I'm pretty strict about that. if it's laundry day, and especially if I've warned them today's laundry day, you know, the morning is laundry day, and they don't give me their clothes, I don't wash them till the next laundry day. So that has helped me tremendously with the laundry, is having specific laundry days. Okay, and also as the clothes are washed and dried, I place them on my bed everybody has a pile. So you see my pile's on the right and my husband's is on the left right here. But usually I do it in age order, and so it's just easy. I don't have to use my brain. I just sort them. Sometimes I fold them as they get washed and dried. Usually I don't fold until everything's washed and dried. For me, that just helps because I don't know, my brain is so busy all the time, having 4 kids and schedules and all that to simplify things and for me to be able to just focus on something else in between washes instead of folding and constantly going into their rooms and putting things away, it just works better for me to sort as I wash and dry the clothes and then put them away when everything's washed and dried. In this video, you see that I'm doing towels on the same day as the clothes. I don't usually do that. There's some things that came up and it just didn't work that way. Sometimes you just have to be flexible and do what you can. But that's usually what I do for laundry. I have specific days. The kids know what those days are and they make sure they give me their laundry. I got tired of them asking, will you wash this shirt? I want to wear it today. And I just did laundry, and so I had to ask, why are they constantly giving me clothes when I've just washed everything? And I knew it's because they weren't good about putting their stuff in their basket. Instead of my kids asking me, will you wash this shirt? Will you wash these pants? I want to wear them today. I asked them, well, how come you didn't give them to me to wash when I did laundry? And so now they don't come to me and ask me to wash certain things because they know they didn't give it to me on laundry day. And there's actually not many situations where they're looking for something and it's not washed. Everything's just washed. And also another thing is, as far as organizing their dresser drawers, so often I would go in and help them organize their clothes. I would fold them, and then like a week later, they're messy. So now what I do, I'm doing this until I feel like they're trained to organize them, like to maintain their organization with their drawers. I hope this makes sense. Is I actually fold and put things on hangers for them, and then I hand them their basket and they put everything away. And so if their drawers are ever messy, there's no excuse because I'm washing, drying, folding their laundry. All they have to do is literally put it in their drawers. So we're focusing on that, and I've brought that to their attention and asked them, why are your drawers, disorganized? Because we just went through them and you're not even having to fold your laundry. I'm literally handing them to you folded. So I don't know. My kids are smart. They're good kids. But I think it's good to teach them little bits at a time, and they were focused on making sure I get their laundry, and that's worked. That's working for us. They make sure I get their laundry, and now we're focused on making sure that they keep their drawers clean and organized. And for them, if they just realize, mom's folding everything and washing and drying, all I have to do is put them nicely in my drawer. I think I don't know if that makes sense. It's taken me a long time to know how to keep, it's not hard to clean and organize and stuff, but with kids, I'm not following all 4 kids all throughout the day constantly. I think it would be impossible. So it's taken me a while to figure out how to not only teach them, but to teach them to maintain things. And so I've had to do this in small, I don't know if that makes sense, just small little lessons for them. And they're doing good so far. They're doing really, really good. So the times their drawers become messy is if they're looking for something to wear and they unfold them and just stuff them back in. And now they know, don't do that. If you unfold something, you got to fold it back and put it right back where it goes. I hope that makes sense. But it's really important for me to have a clean, organized, smooth running home, because with 6 people, all different schedules, doing school at home, things can feel monotonous and they can also feel very chaotic. And so this is what's helped me. Specific laundry days. And for now, I'm putting things on hangers and folding for them. They're just putting everything in their drawers. And to make things not feel monotonous for me, I have something to drink like water or lemonade, sometimes soda, and I listen to something, whether it's music, a podcast, or a TV. It makes the time go by really quickly. So I think that's enough explaining. I'm just gonna let you listen to the music and hopefully relax. And if you have any questions or maybe suggestions for me, if you see me doing something that I could be doing quicker or better, let me know. I'm constantly, it's kind of a new hobby of mine. I love tips and tricks on how to do things more organized and quicker and simpler around my home. So yeah, sit back and relax, and thanks for watching my videos. Well, if you've made it this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.